Talks about Kangana Ranaut, who was engaged to Rajkumar Rao, but he seemed to be a very conservative man. He didn't give her any freedom, and he used to question her for everything. When she was learning driving, he was not patient, and he actually was quite rude to her. He basically was a orthodox kind of man, and they had got engaged, but he lost interest in her, and he actually backed down. And she was totally frustrated. She was very heartbroken. She was despondent, and she didn't know what to do because she had imagined him as her hubby. So what she did, this is shot in New Delhi, and then what she did, she told her parents that I have to get over him, and now I want to just fly to Paris and have some good time, and I'll go for my honeymoon alone. And so she was basically a very docile girl, very homely, and not that kind of boisterous like other girls. So she it had a great effect on her, this kind of broken thing. And she landed up in Paris, and she made friends with three guys, and she was very happy there because she gelled well with these three, and they were so sweet, and they shared the room together. And she had one more friend, Vijay Lakshmi, who was a model, and but she befriended her, and both of them had lots of fun. And even three of them, all four of them, went for rock parties, and they basically had a lot of fun. And then she became even a chef. She actually started selling golgappas there in UK, in Paris. And in the beginning she didn't get any like prospective buyers, but once these white people, they tasted it, they got addicted to it, and she got a good pay. And the man who had actually employed her, he was actually a bit attracted towards her. They just had a good time. She was also, but it was just for a small time. And then she actually had a very good stay there. And then she met Vijay Ramkumar Roy, who came hunting for her, and he wanted to actually settle down. He apologized to her, but she was in no state of mind. She was in another. She actually rediscovered herself after this broken marriage or whatever. She rediscovered herself, and she thought that she actually didn't need Vijay. Vijay was not apt for her because he was questioning kind for everything. So you stay with boys, so you have friends, what kind of friends they are, all kind of stupid questions he used to ask. So she said that now I am going to meet you in New Delhi, I'll be back. And then when she came back after vacation, she went to his house, gave the engagement ring, and told that have a happy life, but now we cannot be together. And amicably she settled the matter, and she walked away, and she was very happy. So bottom line, many a times we come across things which we question, why did this happen to us? But sometimes bad things happen, like broken marriage. What happened to her? It happened because it showed her own self, that she actually needed something more, and he was not apt for her. So always have the power to believe in your destiny. It's not that every time bad things happen for a good cause, but yeah, in this scenario, in this kind of movie, it happened for a good cause, you can say. So you will like the movie. 3.5 to 4 stars.